let's go put wherever they're going to put this thing. Let's take that dozer there and walk it off the pad, and then let's. Is the 700? Where's the 700?
Matt's got it out back level and everything.
They're using it right now.
I don't know if he's using it this minute or not.
Okay. All right. So here's what we're going. Are they using the 700, dear?
No.
Okay.
Right now they're not.
All right. Let's take the 450 and just take it off the pad and put it back, and I'll go get pictures of that 450.
Okay.
If the 700 is not being used or won't be used for the next 30 minutes.
I don't think it will be.
All right, then walk that thing on over.
Okay.
All right, walk that on over. Pull.
I'll go find out if they're going to use the 700.
Take care of what?
Take care of the 450 and I'll go find out if
I was gonna.
Okay, and then is the Komatsu. I go back and I'll hang a tag on the Komatsu. Is that good enough to take a picture back there? Or is it kind of packed in?
I think there's something parked in front of it we have to move, but
well, we can
move that.
Okay, let's move. All right, let's do that then. All right, so I'm gonna tag dozers.
Okay.
And he'll move that machine off the pad, and then they'll go get another machine.
Start with the 450.
I'm gonna tag the 850, then the 700, then the 450, then the Komatsu.
850's not here.
Correct. So I've
skip a tag.
Yep. Okay. All right, I need to go back into the shop and get my printout that I made.